So hello guys.
Hello.
This is audio of us. So this is Vicky, this is Darpan, and me Kitty. Yeah, about. So what kind of topic we gonna talk? Actually we don't have, so we just talk like okay. Okay, Darpan, you first. What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is rendang.
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 Okay, just beef rendang. Okay.
Yeah.
Guys, if you don't know, rendang is just beef from Sumatera. Yeah.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
a traditional food from Indonesia. Prefer is Sumatera.
Anyone? Your favorite food?
I don't have favorite food because I will eat what's in front of me. I will eat. So Kike, do you like rendang?
Yes, I like.
Uh, between rendang or fried egg, do you want?
No, no fried egg. I like rendang
Onion.
and fried rice.
Fried rice, okay.
Yes.
Oh, you prefer burger than the beef rendang rice? You prefer what?
Rendang.
No,
No. Why?
just fried rice.
Okay. So, do you guys have hobby?
My hobby is reading and reading
And
and maybe what is it called? Learning.
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 Study.
Study about
Study something. Okay. Study a new like
now. And
new knowledge. Okay.
yes.
Study a new knowledge. And you?
So what? Okay, my hobbies is uh, design.
Okay, design, eh?
And what?
Hold on. So my hobby is
What's your
actually my hobbies are reading something like novel or comics,
Same.
and my hobby one more is like playing game, right? And the last my hobby is sleep. Yeah. In weekend uh, I fill my time with sleep. Yeah.
Do you have
So
favorite novel?
what?
Favorite novel?
The novel. My favorite novel is Classroom of the Dead.
Huh?
What is it?
It's like
Classroom of the Dead.
Classroom of the Dead is like
Oh.
novel in the
Novel what?
Oh.
like novel from Japan.
Oh, from Japan.
Ayano
Yeah.
Koji.
Yes.
Yes, like novel
What?
is like novel from Japan.
Weibo.
Yes, I weebu from Japan. Yeah. So I read the translate. It's good.
You read Tensura.
Tensura,
What's
just
that?
a little, but I don't read after the finish until finish.
86, you know?
86, 86 I know
That's
86.
good, bro.
That's good. That's so masterpiece, underrated anime and underrated manga, but
Hey guys,
so
I don't know.
masterpiece.
Novel.
And
Okay,
last,
next.
okay next.
Like 4
Mm.
minutes.
No
What?
problem, no problem.
No problem.
What?
One last question.
What do you mean? Uh.
Okay, last question.
Okay, last question. Did you guys have a brother or sister? Maybe
I have sister
sister,
and I have brother too.
brother, or one sister, one brother. Uh, okay.
In my family, sorry,
Your family?
in my family, we have my father, my mother, my brother, and sister.
Sister, okay. So
And you?
ini actually I'm just a bungsu in Indonesia, you know. So I am I mean the
Same.
same, yeah.
Masjid.
So I have the I have the two brother and one sister. Yeah. Yeah, I'm the four. No, no, it's not that. It's not that. Okay, so it's just 5 minutes, right? You can see. So see you guys
Okay,
on the
5
next
minutes.
day. Bye bye.
Bye.
Dah.
Just
Enough, enough.
just to